In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Forza Horizon 5 with the Thrustmaster T80. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The T80 is a great entry-level racing wheel for console gaming, including Forza Horizon 5. So all that you have to do to set it up is first connect the T80. So plug in the USB cables. Usually you will plug the cable from the actual steering wheel into a console or a PC, and you will also be able to do the same with the pedals. So ensure that both the pedals, the wheelbase, and the steering wheel are set up correctly. Once everything is connected to your Xbox console or your PC, you will be able to get inside and configure the actual steering wheel. You might have to download drivers if you are doing this process on PC, so keep that in mind. Now, launch Forza Horizon 5, and as long as the T80 was properly detected by your console or PC, when you go over to the settings inside of the game, you will be able to go and change the input mappings. So under the control category, you will be able to find wheel. So at the top, under the controls category, you will have controller, keyboard, and finally wheel. Just make sure that you select wheel, and you will be able to change a bunch of options. So you can change some settings related to combining acceleration or brakes, combining steering, and then individual settings like the keybind to accelerate, brake, steering, e-brake, and so on. You can change each individual thing to whatever your preference is to use, and once you get inside of a race, you will be able to use the T80 according to the controls that you set up. You can change these at any point, and if you go over to the advanced controls, you will have even more things that you can change related to this wheel. I recommend that you take some time to change these to whatever you prefer, or you look for presets online and recommendations on what to use. You will be able to customize them at any point, and all that you have to do is make sure that the T80 is properly connected to your platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Forza Horizon 5 with Thrustmaster T80. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching!